see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
good morning, guys. Today it's
Sunday.
And
today, later, we're going home. Ayun yung umuwi.
and Dad.
No, Dad is just still gonna stay here for 2 days.
No.
Yeah.
We have one more sleepy, please, Mom.
No, because the boys have school tomorrow. And you have a school the next day. Good morning. Today is May 2nd. What did you say about Mommy's eyes before?
You don't touch your eyes because your eyes are sore.
And then before, what happened to Mommy's eyes?
It was watery.
Yeah. Yung mata ko, grabe. Ayan, oh. Luha lang siya ng luha kanina.
It was monster.
Diyan sa morning star, sabi ni Holly. Hindi pa kasi tayo naghilangan. Ayan, hindi pa parang pula pa rin. So, ayusin ko lang yung
Are we going now?
ayusin ko lang yung mga gamit namin. Kasi mamaya, alis na kami. Ayusin ko lang yan. Kaligo na pala ako at saka si Holly, nagbe-breakfast na sila. Ako, inaasikaso ko nga ito. Ilalagay ko na sila sa car. Naayos ko na ang mga yan. Ilalagay na lang siya sa car. Andito yung mga bata. Breakfast na sila.
Are you? Oh, that's good. So you have a meeting this week or every week?
Si Gretel nag-toast ng hot cross buns. That's yum. And si Holly nakaligo na siya. You ready? She don't wanna go home. She said, can we stay one more? I said, oh no, they have school tomorrow. Tapos na kayo mag-breakfast and nalinis ko na yung table and nakapaghugas na tayo, guys. Ngayon, punta tayo sa labas. Si Kuya andun siya. Yung dalawang bata nasa labas. Tsaka si Gretel. Kasi, namimita sila ng figs. Dito sa, may puno kasi sila. Ang dami raw na bunga. Eh, kinakain na ng ibon. Para yung sa amin, di ba? Yung apricot namin. What are you doing, Baba? Figs picking.
Good help.
Hi.
Hi.
What's this one here? Tomatoes? Ah, you got tomatoes here. Herbs, yeah. What kind of herbs is this one?
Oh no, that's just a flower.
Oh, mint.
That's just, yeah, mint, tomatoes, parsley,
Yeah.
chives.
Oh, what? You got good chives here.
Yep, chives. You have to take some home. And this
And
is, what's this one?
No.
Oh, what is
What's
it?
this?
Thyme? Thyme.
No, thyme.
Yep,
Yep.
thyme. And this is like a
Basil,
yeah.
but it's a different one.
sort, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, just put it there. Yeah, this is, I think, Thai basil, maybe.
Yeah, that's just like milky because it's not quite right. That's
Yeah.
like you got to pick them when they've got brown on
These
them.
ones?
Yeah, that's good.
That one?
Yeah, that's probably too
Oh,
far
yeah.
gone.
Oh, it's so soft.
Yeah.
Ito ang puno ng figs.
Come around here, Zach. Let's
Zach, here.
have a look at these. You get these ones. See how they're all nice,
Yeah.
big, fat brown ones? Oh, you're pushing it. Maybe.
No, Baba, you only have to pick like this color, like this.
Oh.
Not the... Ang lambot na nila, oh. They're very soft now.
Yeah.
It looks like it's not ripe, but it's really soft.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, this.
Don't get that one. Only the top one. Because, ayun, there's the bird.
Dirt on my feet.
Yep, that one. Wow. Look, the birds loves this because it's very sweet. Not that one, this one. That one. Ang mahal nito sa ano yung sa coast. Okay, doon pa. Wait lang, guys. You look like a farmer. You have your boots. Zach! Ayan na yung mga nakuha nila. Babalo kami.
Look at the juice.
Yan yung mga figs. Dami, diba? Si kuya gusto niya, hugasan ko siya ng isa. Try niya daw. So, ayan yung kanyang itsura pag hinati mo siya. And pwede mo siyang kainin with skin or without the skin. So, ipatry natin kay kuya. There you go, kuya. Eat that one.
Wait, what about that?
Yeah, just this one. Eat this one.
What?
It's sweet.
No.
Nice? Huh?
Very useful.
Try, Zach.
But I reckon it'll be better for. I already brushed my teeth.
Ah, yeah.
Toothpaste.
Oh, katututbrush lang nila. Yeah. It's sweet, right, Zach? Nice, yeah? Next time. Kasi kakabrush niya lang daw ng teeth. So, para siyang mapakla...
Mom, I brushed my teeth like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, 10 minutes. It's not that long. Masarap siya, pero mas masarap siya pag ginagawa, pag niluluto siya. And pag may cheese, masarap to sa cheese and crackers. Okay, let's go. Alis ulit tayo today. Kuya, can you give this key, please? Alis tayo, pero this time, magda-drive. Magda-drive tayo. Si Gretel yung magda-drive ng car ko. Gusto kasi ng mga bata mag-playground. Okay. Sa coffee shop. And then yung mga bata, may playground dun sa likod. Dun sila. Si Kuya magbaba. Yeah. Okay. Here, this way. Ganda raw tong coffee shop. Hey, come on. What's the name?
Mahalia Coffee.
Mahalia Coffee.
You like throwing coffee?
Okay.
That's a sanitizer.
Sanitizer, and Gretel already signed for that. Okay, we're good. Oh, it's raining. You can go later, but it's raining. We can just hang out here first. Okay, push that.
You're gonna love this.
Yeah, it looks nice. Wow, fancy. Fancy coffee shop. Ang ganda dito. May mga tinda rin sila mga ganyan, oh. Oh, cutie.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me.
Tingnan nyo, sobrang ganda dito, guys. And my big mirror. Ayan. Andun yung entrance. So, dito kami sa
We will.
pinakalikod. And eto yung kanya.
Have a chair.
No, you can sit there, Baba. At ang kanyang view. Ang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda dito. Kung mahilig kayo mag-coffee, my God, this is the best place. Ako hindi ako mahilig sa coffee, pero nag-order akong hot chocolate. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Binibenta nila ang mga yan. Ayan. Ang ganda dito sa road. Maliit siyang town, pero ang daming mga gandang coffee shop. Tingnan nyo dito, oh. May door dyan, and pwede rin kayo dun sa likod. Dito, tingnan nyo. Ayun, oh. Mahilig kayo mag-coffee. Ayan, mayroon silang mga ganyan. Tea, siguro yan. Sa tea. Yeah, tea. Ang ganda, oh. Ako, mahilig ako sa tea, pero ang laki naman yan para sa akin. Ayan. Ang ganda. Parang kang nasa hotel na, di mo alam hotel, or you like it here, yeah? May couch. Tapos, ayun, tingnan nyo. And, tada! Nakakasosyal siya. Ayan. Say thank you. Ito yung kids. Here please. Thank you. Ito kay Sa.
That's why I got my hair.
No, it's all right here.
And it's actually being interesting.
And ito yung akin. Thank you.
Very happy.
Yes, she is.
It's just also latte. Yeah, and flat tops. And I felt really, I know all these things. Yeah.
Put your mallows. And then you know what? Oh look, careful. And then this, scoop the foam. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. What did you say, Sa?
No, I have another one.
Why?
After this comes
Okay, so good. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Tinatanong niya kung gusto ko i-try. Yum. So yummy. What's that? That's your coffee. Mocha. What you have?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. And si Kuya yan, banana bread with chocolate. Yeah. Banana bread with chocolate. And si Kuya, hot chocolate. Because you eat too much. Yeah, no, you eat too much. Oh my God. Can you move that? Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Oh, cute nila silang dalawa dito. Get this one.
I want the pink.
Okay, get the pink one. Gusto niya raw yung
Cotton candy one.
cotton candy. Oh, yum. Ayan, second cup ni Kuya. Gustong-gusto niya yan. Second. Good, yeah? Tapos na kami, oh. Tapos na kami. And tingnan nyo, guys. Dito sa, kung saan ako nakaupo, yung may couch ba, meron sila dito, very, parang old look na mga notebooks. Tingnan nyo to, oh. Ayan. Yung, yung hard cover. Maganda siya. Ayan, notebook.
This is that drinking chocolate.
What's that? Drinking. Oh, yeah, I'll get that one. It looks yummy.
So good.
Yeah. Meron silang binibenta kasi si Kuya nakadalawa siyang chocolate. Hot chocolate. And nagbibenta sila. So, bili ako nito. Para breakfast nila. Balik tayo dito. Para siyang Harry Potter. Oh, no? Ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo. Eto, meron dito akong nakita kanina. Sana yan? Eto, oh. Lakas maka-oldies. Parang noong panahon pa ba? Ayan. So, yung mga bata, nasa playground sila. Wait lang. Tapos na kami dito. Si Kuya hindi niya naubos yung banana bread niya. Bayaran ko lang to. So, ito yung sarili nilang coffee na siniserve. Na sila talaga ang gumagawa ng coffee nila. Yung coffee beans. Ayan. And ito nga, yung drinking chocolate. And meron din silang tea. Isa na lang yung natita. Dalawa pa. Kunin ko na kayo yung 1 kilo. 1 kilo na ang kunin. Kasi gustong gusto to ng mga bata. Ito na lang. Kunin natin. Yeah. Kasi masarap siya. Kahit ako nagustuhan ko siya. Merong 400 grams and this one is 1 kilo. And ayan. Pwede ka maglagay ng chocolate. Eto na-meet ko na to guys, ngayon lang, kanina. Eto si Mahalia, yung nasa picture, nandito siya. Siya yung may-ari at siya yung gumagawa nitong drink chocolate, tsaka yung mga coffee beans dito. Famous siya, guys. Ayan yung mga medals niya, oh, ni Mahalia. Ang dami niyang medals. Nandito siya, na-meet ko siya. Pero nahiya akong i-film siya. Nag-hi lang siya sa akin and nagkwentong saglit. Ang bait-bait niya. Tapos na kayo dito sa coffee shop. Pero eto, ang sarap daw nito. Eto yung bread and butter pudding. Sarap daw siya. Kasi yung kinuha ko yung isa eh. Ayan. Tsaka ang ganda dito, oh. Ang dala. Oy, don't touch! Don't touch! Don't touch! It's breakable. Don't touch. Okay, come on. And tingnan nyo yung kanilang interior dito, oh. Tingin-tingin lang kami. Tapos na kayo mag-coffee. Tingin-tingin lang kami dito. Ang cute. Ito maganda to. Excuse me. Don't touch, kids. Ano to? Ay, ang ganda nito. Pwede siyang lagyan ng oil. Tsaka kung ano-ano na liquid like toyo. Ang cute. Ito may maliit. Ito mas malaki. Hoy, don't touch. Don't touch, please.
That's they're real apples now.
No, they're not real.
This has plastic.
Yeah, yeah. Ang cute ni Hoy. Naupo siya dyan kasi nga kami ni Gretel nagtitingin-tingin kasi ang daming makikita dito, guys. Ang dami. And sabi ni Holly, Mom, can I just sit there and read the magazine? Sabi ko, sure. Tingnan, ang cute niya dyan, oh. You look so cute there, Baba. Busy siya.
You're so high in this room, it's alright. 'Cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies and your eyes make sunrise. And now that you're falling, I wanna come to. I want us to stay here forever. Alone in this room. Don't lie. You're so high in this room. It's alright. 'Cause I'm right there with you. Just like these blue skies. Your eyes make sunrise. I don't know where to go. Keep me like a live song when I'm with you. One single play.
Guys, siguro 2 hours kami dito sa coffee shop na to or more than. Sayang, umuulan. Pero ang ganda sana dito rin sa labas. Tingnan nyo, oh. Umuulan lang. Ayan, yung setup nila dito sa labas. Ang ganda. Ang bait ni Malia. Is it Malia? Mahalia. Mahalia Coffee. Ang bait ni Mahalia Coffee. Nag-usap-usap din kaming tatlo. Ang ganda, oh, diba? Tapos yung playground nandun. Kanina nandun yung mga bata. Ang laki ng area nila. Hanggang dito sa labas, oh. Ang ganda dito, oh. Look at this dog. Diyan sila kanina yung mga bata. Kaya basang-basa sila. Very nice outside too, girl. Yeah.
That's why I was thinking we could stay.
Yeah, and then just watch the kids. Pero kanina si Kuyang nag-watch sa kanila habang naglalaro. Okay, let's go. Ito yung holiday na
Homewares.
homewares, yeah.
Homewares.
Yung isang nakita natin, ang mamahal doon dito, warehouse. This is a warehouse, yeah. Kaso sarado sila during ano lang daw to, holiday. Ang dami. I like that one. See that one inside? Punta tayo dito sa Long Beach, guys. Kaso tingnan nyo, hindi nyo masyado makita kasi yung aming ito, sobrang blurry. Hindi nyo masyado makita. Wait, we're gonna see here. Ayan. Punta tayo. Long Beach. Wala nga tao kasi malamig na, guys. Wala na, pinakita lang namin. Tapos may magagandang bahay. Nice houses. May pinakita sa akin si Gretel, ang ganda na, ano siya, rent house, right? It's a rent house. Pinakita niya sa akin yung renentahan niyang bahay with her friends. And gustong-gusto nila kasi may swimming pool. Pakita ko sa inyo. Dadaanan natin. Ito yung mga bahay dito sa Long Beach. Pero yung isa, yung renent niya, yun ang pinakamaganda. Ito namin say, wait lang, people. I wonder which house that John's like.
Yeah.
I wonder. Dito, guys. Ayan. Not this. Ito maganda rin. Pero Ito yung nirentahan niya daw. Ayan, ang ganda. Oh, girls. Rentahan natin to one day, girls. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan yung swimming pool. Makita nyo yung etong side sa taas. Swimming pool daw yun. Nice. Thanks, Brett. May mga kaibigan din kasi siya sa Melbourne, siya sa Adelaide. Tapos yan, nirerent nila yan. Ito pa yung mga bahay dito, guys. Pakita ko na ata ito sa inyo before. Nung nag-drive kami ni John. Cute din. Ayan. The beach. Oh, seafront. Beachside cottage. Windy?
Not like what is over the other side where we walk.
Okay.
It's rain. How are we going to go for a walk?
I know. Driving lang muna tayo, guys. Ayan, beach and then houses.
Would it be maybe that one?
That one. Hinahanap niya yung gustong bahay ni Jan dito. Hindi namin makita. Nasa beachfront daw yun. Ang ganda. Oh my God, you're just gonna walk and you have your own ocean. Oh, nice. That one's nice too.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what he means. Right
Oh,
on
nice.
Mom, Dad
Yes.
said we're gonna live on the seafront.
Seafront.
that. Maybe that one?
No. Dad said. In here. I haven't been here. Tingnan niyo yung guys. Oh, ang ganda. And eto din, oh.
Right. Do you reckon we're going to get a walk
Yeah.
in?
Walk?
So what we'll do,
What we're gonna do?
we're
Park.
going to pull up here
Okay.
and go on the path.
Okay. Walking na naman tayo, guys. You didn't wear your walking shoes. Come on.
Same.
Same. Yeah. Okay, come on. Hurry up.
I'd like this car.
This one, this is nice. Mag-walking tayo dyan. Dagat. Dagat na dyan, guys. Oh. And malaking bahay dito. Oh. Dyan. Ayan, oh. Nice houses. Yeah. Yeah. No, 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 no. There's rocks and no. Let's walk here first. Come on. Yeah. Let's walk here first. Yeah, okay, come on. May bato raw sa loob ng boots. Okay. Let's remove. Oh, yeah! Okay.
Feels nice.
Ang ganda dito, guys. Iba ito kahapon na nilakaran namin. Iba naman to. Kailangan nyo mag-drive tapos walk after. Tingnan nyo, oh. Nice. Nauna na yung mga bata. Kaya may ganito, guys, para safe. Kasi cliff na yan, oh. Pinicturean ko sila dito.
You're so high in this room, it's alright. 'Cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies and your eyes make suns rise. And now that you're falling, I wanna come to.
And nandito sila, namimita sila ng fig. Oh, yum! Bite it! No, it's alright. Siguro, ayun, kumakain na siya. Good, Baba? No, eat this one, this part here. So good? Yeah. We got so many. Tingnan nyo kung saan lang sila na, ano, tawag yun? Namumuhay. Ang daming bunga. Tastes like an apple. Yummy? Yummy, yeah? Good? That's good that you like it. Kanina, di ba, tinikman niya. It's better now than before. Kasi di ba kanina, nagtutba siya. Yes, now it's good. Pahinga sila dito. Medyo mahaba-haba na yung nilakad namin. Tingnan nyo, ang dami mga gandang bahay. Diyan daw, mayroong private house dyan. Na sarili niya lang yan na walking trail. Is it?
Can we go that one?
Yeah. Oh, baka yun yung may-ari. You think that's the owner? Yeah, dyan. Oh,
Come on, let's go that way.
no, that's not us. That's private. Yeah, that's private. We're not allowed there. So, pahinga muna kami dito. Tingnan nyo naman. Ha?
I think it'll just take you back to the road.
Nakikita nyo, yeah. Nakita nyo doon? Yun daw yung Long Beach. Yung kanina nung nag-drive tayo na nakita nyo yung malaking bahay na pinakita ko sa inyo na pang rent. Yung rent house. Ayun, doon. Tapos ngayon dito, naglalakad kami. Ay, ang ganda dito, guys. Eh, nag-i-enjoy yung mga bata. Hindi sila nagreklamo sa walking. What's that? Mahilig siya mag-amoy. He loves to smell like anything. Surang ko raw dito yung mga bata. Kasi sabi ni Girl, maganda raw dito yung spot na to. Okay, come on. Come on! Pinicturean namin sila dito kasi nakita niyo yung rock doon. Ang ganda, yung parang may butas doon. Hi, come on! Come on, come on, come on! Come on, come on! Kuya, come here!